How to change currency in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you have created a trading account with your preferred currency, there is no option to change the currency later. If you want to use a different currency, you will need to create a new account and select your preferred currency during the setup process. Make sure to choose carefully, as the currency you select will be used for deposit, withdrawals, and trading. After creating the new account with your desired currency, you can fund it and start trading immediately. Selecting the right currency helps you manage your trades, profits, and losses in the currency you are most comfortable with. Now you know how to manage account currency in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.